Hello guys, we're going to a animal compound here, and today we are in a, what is this? What is this? Yeah, I don't really know. Do you guys know?
Guys, I need your attention. Okay, there's nothing in there. There's just a display box. But they show you what you can do.
What is in there?
Okay? When we go into the aviary, we need to be very quiet and very respectful. Our birds are all
Oh yeah, I forgot to do my intro. Hello guys, I'm here, and today we're gonna be searching.
What does that mean it cannot do? Hunt or fly. So if it can't fly,
we're in the animal compound.
what's gonna happen to it? It's gonna die.
Hello guys. Oh, we're going. Okay. Oh. And we're near the buses. You see, look. We're near the buses.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay, Oh, you want to be in the video?
Yeah, sure. Just don't show my face.
Okay. Hello, guys.
Well, yeah, you can show me.
There's this guy here.
Yeah, you know my name.
What's your name?
Micah. It's God.
Oh, Micah. Okay, here's Micah. Oh, sorry. Well. Hey, where is he?
Wait, what are they talking about?
Can you guys see it?
He's the color of the leaves, he's the color of the shadows,
Why
he's the color of the ground that he's
I don't know.
What? What's camouflage?
Camouflage is where you act like something else.
Okay, trick question.
Bald eagle where?
Look, let me get it.
If you see his ears, guys. Okay, let me be very clear. We'll walk out of here if you're not going to listen to me. I want you away from the bird right now, over here with me. The reason she's freaking out is because you guys are not listening. Okay, she's just been moved into that enclosure. That's why that great big That's why that great big yellow chain is right across the middle. Okay. Everybody raise your hand if you believe that you can see the great horned owl's ears.
The freaking, yeah. Tickle.
Okay, guys. Sophie's there.
Okay, did you guys hear that bird call? Yes. That high-pitched here is what it's called. It's a descending here, and we're going to look at the person or bird that made that. Okay, but guess what? You cannot see this great
Bald
horned
eagle
owl's ears
confirmed.
they're not on the outside of his head.
Okay.
Those are just feathers.
Need to get a
He actually has holes.
better vision.
Okay.
Already got it on tape.
Everybody turn around.
Wait, there it is.
Ooh, guys, I need you away from the eagle.
Okay. That's it for eagle can.
Okay, hear that sound, guys? Oh. You hear that call? That is exactly that same species that is in front of you. Red, unfortunately, as my daddy would say, don't look so good.
Yeah.
Because he has one eye missing.
Oh.
Okay, we don't know if he was born that way or if he was injured and his right eye no longer works. Okay, so but look at his talons, look at his legs. What color are his feet? Yellow.
Yellow.
What's on the end of his feet, guys?
We're already away from it.
Talons. Okay.
Because it freak out.
We're already away from it.
What are the hawk?
Oh, there's a. Okay.
That's one eye missing.
Rabbit.
Oh.
What else? Yeah.
Oh.
Any small animal. Any small animal that it can grab onto.
Oh.
Okay. It grabs
Hoping that you guys see the hawk, but I was hoping that you guys saw the hawk.
Did you? Put it over your right
Yeah, I did. I guess.
I know y'all aren't legal drivers yet. Okay, but imagine you're 18 years old. You're driving down I-75 at about 70 miles an hour, and you're 100 feet off the ground, and you're looking for mice. How easy is that going to do? Put your hand over your right
I've never
eye.
seen bodies
How
before.
easy is that going to be able to do
I
with
can tell that's
that
like in kill.
one eye gone? At 70 miles an hour, 100 feet off the ground.
Oh yeah, no, you can't.
Okay, so would Red, who is a red-shouldered hawk, now be
We've
turned
seen a
around?
million of those.
Wow.
Hey, did you see that shed?
He's hiding. He's feeling
Oh,
I wonder what
that
shed
that
is
mysterious shed.
What the hell is that?
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
guys,
whoa.
I need you away from her. She is
Butterfly.
freaking out.
Butterfly.
She's decided
Butterfly
if you
cam.
like that means she could injure herself. So please back up. That's why we're standing
Butterfly cam.
here. Okay? So, birds have to be able to fly to catch their prey. Okay? And if they can't see it, they can't
Okay,
fly and
see.
catch it. Okay? They can't get food and they're gonna die.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit down on this bench. Oh, there's really nothing interesting here. Except for the animals.
Does it look exactly
Over
the
here.
same as the
Yeah.
ones we've seen out
Okay.
on property?
Camera.
Yeah.
What's
Hey.
different?
Hold on.
This is my first.
The
What
head
kind
is
of
red.
pin his head back?
Huh.
Wow.
Let's see.
I
What
was
bird do we eat around
You- hey, look.
holidays that might have a red head?
Huh?
The
Huh?
freaking bird was like.
So beautiful. You guys
Wow.
spoiled my fun. It's a turkey vulture.
Turkey
I was gonna ask you,
vulture.
It's a turkey. It's a vulture. No, it's a turkey vulture. Okay? So different species, and guess what? They will actually take food away from black vultures.
Wow.
They're very aggressive, and they're bigger than black vultures. And
Savage
guess
confirmed.
Guess what vultures will
Yeah.
also eat? Other vultures if they're dead.
Oh, wow.
How do you like eaters?
Oh. Yeah, we're at nature's classroom now. We're gonna transition over here. Okay.
Oh, the eagle's broken.
Oh.
Actually broke her left wing. She can still fly, but she cannot fly long distances.
But driver, like, she was out like.
Yeah. So imagine you're a bird just minding your own business, flying across, I don't
Oh,
know.
it's not there anymore. Oh, there it is.
I don't know. You are
There it
flying
is.
across Highway 41. You're driving along, and along comes a semi. Yeah, what happens to you?
There it
You're
is.
broken. You're on the side of the road. You have to wait till a human comes to find you, or you die and a vulture eats you. Those are basically the two options in the wild.
Wow.
Okay, they either have to be rescued or they become part of the life cycle. Yep.
Yes, we're seeing we're gonna see the vultures.
You're gonna get eaten.
Are there bears here?
Vultures.
We're just gonna go on to right now.
We're at nature's classroom, guys.
I've never seen a bear. I've never seen a bear.
Yeah?
Hold the camera.
Sure. Just make sure to get all the vultures.
Alright. Some birds in the sky. You probably can't see it.
Hey, look, they have something on there. Did you realize that?
Mike, I second here.
What? When I was having a picnic with
That is sick. Cool. Well, hey, hold up.
It came up.
By another bird.
We freaked out.
How I put
It was a female.
insect by a bird.
Broken sign.
How you did that? And said, "Oh, bear."
Please stay on sidewalk.
Ooh, bear.